What up, guys? Welcome back. Good morning. My name is Kamal Khalaf. It's currently 11 o'clock in the morning, 10:45 a.m. West Coast, November 17th. Looking at Tesla. I'm thinking of buying the dip of the 20 moving average, that blue line, which is also the psychological hold dollar of 236. Calls, of course. Thinking to buy a couple calls. How's the SPY doing? Ooh, we have a bottoming tail candle. This is like a reversal. It's a very weak market today, very weak. I'm thinking of buying the dip, but it's not looking so good. We broke the 20 moving average on Tesla. I did not buy the dip, of course. I don't feel it. I didn't see the strength. Alright. So that move is done right now. It needs more time. Let me see SPY. Do we have something? So I'm gonna stop recording for now. If I see another opportunity, I'll start recording. Alright, here. Took a couple calls, small size on Tesla. I added right here for the final chance to bounce back up. Yeah, I messed up. I bought 16 contracts instead of 2. I thought I was buying 2 only. I bought 16. Alright guys, we are approaching the closing bell. Today was a very bad day. I did a lot of mistakes. I ended up buying 20 contracts instead of 2. I misclicked the quantity button. I changed my stop loss. I got emotionally hijacked. It happens. I need to go back, review the day and see what mistakes I did. Now holding the contract till expiration is a very amateur move. I don't know why I did that. I haven't done that in a long time. Now on my small account challenge, I'm still green on my investment. More likely back to break even. This would show you nobody's perfect. You're gonna make mistakes. But as long as we close the week green, the month green, the year green, then we are okay. I mean, I can't complain. I was green 3 days in a row.